feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got...
All right, guys. You're highly welcome to my channel once again today. Real quick, guys. I am just doing this video today just to show to you or to prove to you guys that this website that I shared with you guys previously in my videos, that they are working perfectly fine, guys. All right, so you can take advantage of whatsoever platform or whatever platform that I shared with you guys here. The platform, they are tested and trusted, guys. So you just have to take advantage of each platform, because I'm using many platforms. So that is why sometimes I will come here and share one or two of the website with you guys, so that you too will start making real cash after watching this video. So just to let you guys know that this platform is very legit, it's very trusted, and is confirmed, guys. I did a little transaction here just to let you guys know that I cannot just come to my channel here and share the platform or website that is not working. This is the best website that you can use to start making real cash if you are into arbitrage business. All right, doing an arbitrage business is very profitable if you really have access to websites like this particular one that I shared with you guys previously in my video. All right, but I can notice that most people are saying if I have used it, if I have tested it. Yes, I have used it, and that is the reason I shared it with you guys. Right, if I could if I can share that particular this particular website with you guys, that is to show you that I have used it, I have tested the website, I have done transaction on the website before trying to share it with you guys. All right, so I have many websites like this that I'm using to do my arbitrage business, and that is the reason whenever you see me come up here and share any website that you can buy dollar at cheaper rate and say higher, you just have to take advantage of that opportunity and start making real cash. All right, so because why I'm saying all these things is just the fact that I noticed that most of you have registered, but you fail to start trading, all right, or start buying and selling as you want. All right, so it's all about you place your order and you start making your money, guys. Imagine you buy at the rate of okay, currently the rate is 540. All right, as at when I recorded the first video, the rate was 530 something, or so it's as simple as that. You buy at 540 as at today, and you sell at 720 in this particular platform here. All right, you can do that on this particular website that we are talking about. You can buy 540 and you sell at the rate of 702. All right, that is exactly how I conducted my my transaction here, and I am going to show you the proof of what I'm telling you guys. All right, so this particular video is just to clarify the fact that this website is trusted, this website is proved and is working very fine. All right, so I said that in my previous video that whenever you want to do a transaction, if you don't know how to carry out that transaction, that is why I keep saying that time that you need to contact the admin on WhatsApp or Telegram, which you see the links here. You can see that here. All right, you can see that right here. Either you join the Telegram, you join the WhatsApp, which is normal. All right, so now I am going to show you the proof that this website is really working. And if you have not registered, check the description of this video as you are watching it right now. You will see the link to this website. Register and verify your information. Then after verifying your information, start making money, guys. It's as simple as that. I just received alert, like I just received credit alert to the transaction that I did on this website. All right, so I did a transaction on, it should be on Monday, it should be either Monday or so. That is when I carried out this transaction, and based on I cannot withdraw that particular day, and that was the reason I couldn't record this particular video. So I waited for this transaction to be completed, which is the withdrawal dates are Wednesdays and Sundays. All right, so you can do all your transaction, you keep all the whole history, and once it's time for you to withdraw, you click on withdraw, and you have your money sent to you in your local bank account. All right, so I am not telling you or sharing the information that is not working with you guys. All right, so now you can see here, you can see that when you look at this place here, you will see that the black market is open. All right, so you can sell. Probably have purchased at the rate of 540, and you are waiting to sell on this their platform, which is still more profitable than most of you guys that are waiting on Binance P2P for you to, for the buy option, or this for the price to come down, then you buy, you sell at least. Most of you are making 2 naira 3 naira from a transaction, which is ridiculous. I cannot even do that. All right, but this particular platform, this particular website, we are going to buy dollar at the rate of 540 naira, then you sell at the rate of 702 naira. What a profit! How much are we talking about here? All right, so it's as simple as that, guys. Just do the mathematics on your own. All right, so time will not permit me to do that. So this is the transaction that I carried out on this platform here. All right, look at it here. You can see this here. Let me zoom it a little bit. Look at the transaction here. All right, look at it here. Look at the transaction here. All right, that is the withdrawal or stuff that I carried out on this platform. All right, so look at how much I sold. $10 here. You can see that properly. I believe you can see that. You can see it here. That is 10. This is the amount that I got from $10 transaction. All right, this is the amount that I got from $10 transaction. And look at the ID here. All right, look at the ID here. I am not telling you what is not, or sharing with you guys what is not working. All right, so look at the date as well. All right, so I want you to see the date properly. Look at it. Probably I will zoom the date more. You see this? Look at the date here. All right, this is on the 26th of September 2022. That is when around to 12 p.m. that is when I carried out this transaction. So now I am going to show you that today being Wednesday, all right, I placed a withdrawal and they gave me just how many few minutes or so. That is when I received my money into my bank account. Just to let you guys, this is not the first time that I'm doing business with the platform, and why I couldn't show you all that was just because I was unable to locate the credit alert in my message. All right, so look at let me check. Look at this place here. This is where you can view the exchange. Now let me click on view exchange here. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. What are we seeing here? Look at this here. Is this not the same ID or the same reference? Look at it here. Then look at the transaction, the amount that I transacted with here. Then look at the amount that I received, which is 7,020 naira. All right, so now look at the date. Look at the date here. All right, this is 26th. All right, this is 26th as well. So see time. Now when you come back to this place here. So now when you look at this here, okay, so I've shown you this. Now you come to this place here just to prove point to you guys. When you click on this particular withdrawal, you are going to see how much which day I received my money. I click on this withdrawal. I click on this withdraw here. All right, click on this withdraw here. Now let me zoom it a little bit. Look at it here. Look at the same reference. Then look at date. I believe you can see the date very well. Look at date and look at time that I received my money. All right, today is Wednesday. All right, being 28. All right, so now look at how much my $10 came out as. All right, so now when you look at this, okay, you can look at this, you can see approved. So it has been sent to my bank account. So I am going to show you, and mind you that whatever transaction that you are doing here, since you are withdrawing on Wednesdays, the platform is charging 11%. All right, the platform is charging 11%. So if you are withdrawing on Sundays, they are charging 10%. So they have when I show you the what's it called, the credit alert, you are going to see they have removed their 11% from this amount here. Now I only received 6,300, so that is, they have removed their 11%. But on the platform, the exchange rate that I got was 7,020 naira from $10. So I don't really know where you can, bargain all this kind of transaction and make that kind of profit. Right? So I don't really see. I can't just specify that. So let me take you guys to my credit alert so you can see that for yourselves. All right, guys. Here now you can see this here. This is the credit alert. This is the date here. You can see the date here. All right. I believe you can see the date very well. Probably let me zoom it so you can see it properly. You see that? That is the date. Wednesday, 28th September. So that is the date, and this is the amount that I received. You can see this here, and this is my account number, which I am also going to show you at the same platform. And look at the creditor here. All right, look at the creditor here. You can see this here. All right, so that is exactly how it is, guys. That is exactly how it. So look at it here now. All right, look at it here. This is the same account number here. All right, this is my information on the platform here. So there is no way I will just come to this place and start sharing what is not working. So whatever I share with you, whatever platform that I share with you guys, and for most of you that have registered and you are not trading, I don't really know what you're waiting for. If you are not ready to start trading, why are you searching for how to be a successful arbitrage trader? All right, so it's as simple as that. If you are doubting if the platform is working very fine, guys. Just fund your account and start trading right away. Start making the money, guys. Start making the money. All right, so that is it, guys. That is exactly what I wanted to share with you guys. The proof that this website is really working, and there is nothing to fear about the website. And if you love content like this and you want me to share more websites that will help you or still trade more, or another website that can, you can make a lot of money buying dollar at cheaper rate and selling higher on any other platform or even on the same platform, do me that favor and do yourself that favor and smash that like button, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share content like this, you'll be among the first that YouTube is going to notify that I've shared another powerful platform that will help you buy at lower price and say hi. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and be sure to smash that like button as well. So that is it, guys. So I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description of this video as well. So what you just need to do is go through the link and register and start making money right away. So that is it, guys. Signing out. All it is. Peace.